The Orioles squaring off with the White Sox. No score in the second. The red-hot Pedro Alvarez at the dish, and it continues. A solo blast off Miguel Gonzalez, 17th homer of the season, 1-0 Baltimore. In the third, adding to it, 2 men on, Manny Machado with the line drive, gap shot double. 2 runs come in to score, 3-0 O's. Now 4-2 in the 8th. It's Alvarez at the plate again, and he delivers once more. Another home run off Tommy Kahnle, his second of the game, 5th homer in the last 3 games. Little Toreador right there, 5-2 Baltimore. Later in the frame, adding to it, J.J. Hardy, the RBI single, makes it 6-2 O's. Now 7-5 in the 9th, tying run at the plate. Zach Britton gets Justin Morneau to ground out to end it. The Orioles pound out 16 hits and survive 4 errors as they win for the 4th time in 5 games, taking it 7-5. Britton with his 34th save. He's yet to blow a save opportunity this season. The series continues on Saturday. Chris Tillman up against Carlos Rodon.